Engaging international bond investors last summer 2021, Minor International, a Thailand-based multinational, executed its $300 million senior perpetual capital securities, along with a concurrent tender offer. The balance sheet repair exercise was highly successful for the company and was well received by investors. The deal, for example, achieved the lowest ever reoffer yield and coupon globally across any corporate perpetual with a non-call period of longer than 3 years. There was also significant tightening of 45 bips, from initial price guidance to final pricing, one of the largest revisions for perpetual capital securities in 2021. High-quality investors piled into the deal, with Minor International achieving an oversubscription of 4.5 times.